This 2017 Dodge Charger is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Dodge Charger Daytona 392 optional equipment customer preferred package 21Y $5,000 392 fender decal Brembo 6-piston high-performance front brakes body colored fascias Daytona edition group functional hood scoop cold air system by Mopar Daytona performance suede leather seats Daytona IP badge Daytona decals on hood roof and trunk Romby 2-pipe wheel center cap performance suspension projector 2 LED fog lamp spark sense rear park assist systems hidden black rear spoiler technology group $1,495 blind spot and cross path detection adaptive cruise control with stop full speed collision warning plus lane departure warning with lane keep assist advanced brake assist Beats audio group $995 power sunroof $1,095 standard equipment 6.4L Hemi engine 8-speed automatic transmission keyless and tri-keyless start park distance control heated front seats power trunk opener power adjustable steering wheel power automatic windows power door locks Mango exterior black brazen gold interior Dodge floor mats balance of factory Dodge War. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.